Welcome back. In this video, we will look at some of the components that make up the Edge universe. One device which is extremely popular in the Edge ML community is the Arduino Nano 33 BLE Sense development board. This is because it checks a lot of the boxes for an ideal Edge device, like small size, low power consumption, lots of internal sensors, connectivity to other devices through Bluetooth, etc. We will discuss the factors that are important to consider when deciding on an Edge device, as well as the Arduino Nano 33 in later videos. But let's first get acclimatized to an Edge device. This is what an Edge device typically looks like. It will have a microcontroller unit, or MCU, along with a network module to connect with the outside world, like Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. This one has a Bluetooth Low Energy, or BLE module, which, as the name suggests, uses less energy, and this is pretty standard these days. Another thing that a development board will have is some sort of USB connection to connect to a computer, so that you can write a program on the computer and transfer it to the Edge device. The USB also provides power to the Edge device, though you can power the device using an external power source, like a battery or a power bank as well. Another thing to note here is that though development boards have USBs, a production device, which is a device actually being used in the real world, may not have a USB port. There are a couple of reasons for this. First, a production device is extremely specific to its task, and its size may not allow for a USB port, which, as you can see, takes some space. Secondly, and more importantly, it may not need a USB port. The code to run may already have been added to the microcontroller unit, and there may already be an external power source powering the Edge device and the external input and output devices. The third component to look out for in a device is the reset button, and it does exactly what it says. It helps to reset the device. Let's say you are transferring the program that you wrote from your computer to the device, and the computer and the device get stuck, which will happen sometime. Well, in this case, you can use this button to reset the device. Another thing that you will find on your device are inbuilt or internal sensors and other input and output devices. The sensors can collect the data on which machine learning models can make inference. This device, the Nano 33 BLE Sense, has tons of sensors, like the temperature, pressure, IMU, and the humidity sensor, as well as a microphone, as you can see, but most Edge devices won't have this many components on them. Most will usually have just a couple of them, more or less. And so what do you do if the device you want is not built in? Well, you can always connect an external device, and we will spend a lot of time in this course to see how exactly to do that. And that is all for this video. In the next video, we will look at some input devices that are available to us to build our favorite Edge applications. See you there.